Hey guys, how's it going? Go Civic here today, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to swap out a main relay. First thing you're going to want to do, grab this, do this. Grab side of the box, do that, go to the other side. You got to work out both sides, so squeeze out both so they flip down. There's your main relay. Now we need to get to the other side. Getting to the other side can be fun. Grab down here, and grab and pull. You're just going to do that. Pull it nice and away like this. Just sits up in here. After you do that, there is a Phillips right here. Take small screwdriver, as lightly as you can, barely pressing, unscrew. The harder you press on your Phillips, the more chances of this screw not coming out. So as you lightly unscrew, you're just gonna grab it, wiggle it out, put this off to the side, put that there, grab right here. You're gonna literally grab from up here, work your magic all the way around like that. Piece comes off here. Take out this bolt right here. I think that looks like a 10 mil. Pull that off. Unplug right here by pressing this ducktail. Slide it down and out while pressing. After you slide it out, take new main relay, put it right here, screw it in, plug it in, put it back together. How to do it in basically a minute and 30 seconds.